Works wants to offer a few tips for those of you looking for insurance coverage. I got a chance to sit down with one of the directors who tells me more about the program they're working on. Take a look. Hey, Middle Georgia, a local organization believes education is the biggest barrier for people receiving insurance. Community Health Works Director of Outreach, Katie Smoke, joins us to tell us more about Insure Georgia. So good morning to you.
Good morning.
Okay, so what exactly is Insure Georgia?
So Insure Georgia is one of our focused initiatives. It's allowed us to place 26 navigators of the Affordable Care Act throughout the state of Georgia, including 5 bilingual navigators. So we're tasked with doing education and outreach for the Affordable Care Act because, like you said, we believe that education is one of the biggest barriers to getting the help that you need. So we want people to understand, what a deductible is, what a premium is. There are a lot of terms that go along with insurance policies that people have no idea about, and that's okay. And we're here, if you call in, we have a call center. You can call in and ask a question, and it can be as simple as, what do I pick? Or it can be, hey, can you come sit down with me and look over all of these and, educate me. And
quickly, just for you at home, a navigator is actually someone who just kind of helps guide them through the entire process.
Right,
Some
absolutely.
people may not know what a navigator is.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So we're state licensed. It's a pretty thorough process as far as background checks and drug screens, and I'm pretty sure they check everything about you, but
qualified people. So
absolutely,
options and plans, they are tailored to every individual lifestyle.
Right. We want to help you find the one that is going to be best for your lifestyle. You wouldn't wear clothes that are too big. Why would you get an insurance policy that doesn't fit your lifestyle?
I love that analogy. Great right there. So are there any penalties?
Yeah, this year there's an added incentive to having health insurance, and that is a penalty of $325 per adult in the household and about $160 per child. So if you think about it, a household of 4 could rack up a pretty big charge for not having health insurance.
Okay, so why do you think that individuals and families are not as aware as they should be? Because there are resources, there are educational, foundations for them to learn more so about insurance programs.
Right.
So why don't they know more about Insure Georgia?
Well, as far as Insure Georgia, we are a new program, so we are trying to get the word out. Regarding the Affordable Care Act, though, I think that in Atlanta there are a lot of resources, but outside of Atlanta, they significantly drop off. And so as far as education, I think there is a lack of, and I think there's a lot of misunderstanding, and so we're just trying to clear that up. We're non-biased. We simply want people to know what they're about to get into.
Have you had any response from the community about Insure Georgia?
Yeah, we've had a great response. I think we've had over 200 events in the state of Georgia, and we've assisted over 1,000 people already. And so open enrollment is going on until February 15th, so people still have time to check it out.
Okay, well, thank you so much for coming on and talking to us about Insure Georgia.
Yes.
All right, thanks, Katie.
Thanks.
Well, if you want more information, just log on to www.insuregeorgia.org.